Hello guys, and once again, welcome to Motor Gears. Today, we are going to see the latest version of sporty car, the Mahindra XUV 300 Sport. Guys, Mahindra has already launched the XUV 300 on the 14th of February 2019, exactly 1 year before. And recently, Mahindra has launched the XUV 300 Sports in AutoExpo 2020. Infotainment system XUV 300 comes up with the radio, speakers in front and the rear, the USB inputs, Bluetooth connectivity, touchscreen, Android Auto, and also Apple CarPlay. In the comfort, the car comes with the features like heater, air conditioner, adjustable steering as well, the power steering, all power windows, the remote trunk opener, and low fuel warning lights. Hope you like the video. Our channel will basically give the detailed information about the new automobiles and newly launched vehicles, so if you desire to watch more, then please subscribe our channel, Motor Gears, and press the bell, so you can get all the latest videos related to this channel on your screen. Till then, stay tuned.